Good morning, students. Welcome to the part 2 video of science class on chapter number 8 Wind, Storms, and Cyclones. Wind currents are generated due to the uneven heating of the earth. Equatorial areas are more heated up because of the direct sunlight. The hot air rise up and cool air from surrounding place take its place. This generates the wind current. We know that at the poles air is colder than that at the latitudes. The warm air at these latitudes rise up and cold air from polar regions rushes in to take its place. Thus, wind circulation is set up from the poles to the warmer latitudes. Wind currents are generated by uneven heating of the earth. During daytime, land gets heated up more quickly than the water in the sea. The hot air on the land becomes lighter and rises, while cooler air from the sea blows towards the land to take its place. This causes sea breeze. Land breeze. At night, land is cooled much faster than the sea water. The air over the sea is hotter than the air over the land. Therefore, at night, a current of air blows from land to the sea. This causes land breeze. Thunderstorms and cyclones. Thunderstorm is also known as lightning storm, thunder shower, or simply a storm, which is a weather characterized by the presence of lightning. Cyclone winds are irregular winds of short duration. In a cyclone, low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure area from all sides. This results in winds blowing from all sides towards the center of the cyclone, that is, an oasis of calm, which is popularly known as eye of the cyclone, is formed. Destruction caused by cyclones. Floods wash away human beings and animals and make the water unfit for drinking. They can also cause diseases like cholera, jaundice, or viral fever. It can also cause loss to the property as well as loss to the life. It interrupts the electric supply and telecommunication lines. Road and rail movements come to stop because of floods damage rail tracks as well as roads. The weather conditions also disrupt airlines. Seaports stop due to strong winds, heavy rains, and poor visibility. Powerful wind can break and uproot trees and plants. Cyclone can blow away the houses of many people, and this causes many people homeless. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are very fast moving dark cloud in the shape of a funnel. The speed of tornadoes can be up to 300 km. They are destructive as a cyclone. tornadoes may form within cyclones. Anemometer, an instrument which measures the speed of wind, is called anemometer. Safety measures. Before the cyclone season, roofs and walls of the houses should be checked, repaired. Trees and branches close to homes should be trimmed or cut. During cyclone season, one should listen to the radio, TV weather report regularly. And you can also spread information to your neighborhood. Identify the location of safe shelters well in advance and memorize the routes to reach them. Keep a list of emergency addresses and telephone numbers. Disconnect electrical items or avoid touching them. Stay indoors. Keep a good supply of dry food items, candles, battery operated torches, etc. Never take shelter under a tree. Maybe it can be uprooted by heavy winds or rains or be struck by lightning. Keep emergency medicines, rations, water, clothes, and necessary items ready for use. With the help of advanced technology, satellites, and radars, a cyclone alert or cyclone watch is issued 48 hours in advance of any expected storm. A cyclone warning is issued 24 hours in advance. The message will be broadcasted every hour or half an hour when a cyclone is near the coast. Many national as well as international organizations cooperate to monitor the cyclone related disasters.